template cards are a really awesome part of Trello. They can save a lot of time. They're really usable and they're great for things that you need to use again and again and again. So for example, if you have a morning routine which you need to repeat every day, you could create a template for that. Or if you have a client onboarding card that you want to fill all their details into, you can create a template for that. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really, really easy. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go here and create a list called templates. Now this is where I'm going to keep all my templates. I'm going to go add card, and let's say I want to create my morning checklist template. Brilliant. So I can open that up. I can add some content in. I can add a checklist to it. So say that I want to do a couple of things. Task 1. Say that I want to add a cover to it. Brilliant. Now it's really easy to make it a template. All you do is you go down here and you click make template. And now you can see that little blue area here shows you that that is a template. Now if I want to use that template on a new card, it's really easy. See this icon here? It says create from template, so you click and you can select from your templates here. Now I can click that, go create card, and that has completely duplicated that card, and I can now go in there and edit it however I want, so I can use it as a base for a new card. They save a lot of time. We use them so much in our business, especially in our printing business. We have cards set up for every job that comes through. It has like checkboxes and everything that we need in there, and it saves a heap of time. It's a great way to stay organized.